everyone, let me take you back to a time when I was at an international conference, surrounded by brilliant minds from all over the world. We were deep into a heated discussion about the future of artificial intelligence, throwing around complex theories and abstract concepts. In that moment, I realized how exhilarating it was to navigate such sophisticated topics confidently, all in English. How amazing would it be if you could do the same? By the end of today's lecture, you will be able to comprehend the significance of thinking in English for handling complex and abstract concepts. Learn practical techniques to enhance your abstract thinking and problem-solving skills in English. Start discussing and analyzing sophisticated topics in English. Being able to think in English enables you to articulate your thoughts clearly, helps in professional growth, engage in high-level discussions, and contribute meaningfully to global conversations. Engage in critical reading by analyzing and summarizing complex texts in English. Focus on understanding the author's arguments, identifying key points, and reflecting on their implications. When I first started reading philosophical texts in English, I struggled to grasp the abstract ideas. I began summarizing each paragraph in my own words, noting down the main arguments and reflecting on their meaning. This practice not only improved my comprehension, but also helped me think critically in English. Use Socratic questioning to deepen your understanding of abstract concepts. This involves asking and answering questions to stimulate critical thinking and illuminate ideas. Think of Socratic questioning like peeling an onion. With each layer of questioning, you get closer to the core of the idea. For example, if you're discussing ethics, you might start with "What is ethics?" and then ask, "Why is ethics important? And how do ethical principles apply in real-life scenarios?" Participate in debates on complex topics. This forces you to think on your feet, use impactful vocabulary, articulate your thoughts clearly, and consider different perspectives, all in English. Join a debate club or an online forum where complex issues are discussed. Engaging in debates about topics like climate change, artificial intelligence, or global economics will challenge you to think critically and express your ideas effectively in English. Engage in problem-solving tasks that require critical thinking and abstract reasoning. This could include puzzles, riddles, strategic games, or case studies in your field. Think of your brain as a muscle. Problem-solving tasks are like workouts that strengthen your critical thinking and abstract reasoning skills. For instance, working on complex math problems or strategic games like chess can sharpen your ability to think abstractly in English. Now here's an assignment for you. Write an essay or reflection on an abstract topic. Focus on organizing your thoughts and developing clear arguments. For further reading, I recommend Thinking Fast and Slow by Daniel. It offers deep insights into the process of thinking and decision making, which are necessary for handling complex ideas and abstract thinking. Handling complex ideas and abstract thinking in English is a powerful skill that can enhance your academic and professional success. Start incorporating these practices into your daily routine and watch as your ability to think critically and abstractly in English grows.